Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you
How to fix Discord sound not working.
and it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done.
If you're experiencing issues with Discord sound not working, you can try the following troubleshooting steps. So the first step would be, ensure that your audio output device, headphones, speakers, etc. is correctly connected and working. Another guide, open Discord and go to user settings, the gear icon at the bottom left. Navigate to the voice and video settings. Make sure the correct output device is selected on the output device. Next guide, close Discord completely and restart it. Sometimes this simple step can resolve minor issues. Another guide, a system restart can also help in resolving audio-related problems. Next guide, ensure that your audio drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your device's manufacturer to download and install the latest drivers. Another guide, if you're using Discord through a web browser, try using a standalone Discord desktop application. Browser-related issues might affect audio performance. Another guide, right-click on the speaker icon in the system tray and choose Open Volume Mixer. Check if Discord's volume is set appropriately and not muted. Another guide, right-click on the speaker icon in the system tray and choose Open Sound Settings. Verify that the correct output device is selected under Output. Next guide, if you're using Discord in a web browser, try accessing the web version from a different browser to see if the issue persists. Another guide, uninstall Discord from your PC and then download and install the latest version from the official Discord website. Next guide, some applications might interfere with Discord's audio. Temporarily disable or close other applications to check for conflicts. Last guide, if the issue persists, reach out to Discord support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance based on your situation.
And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.